So this is my mini Nucleus hive that I made up based on the design I saw on YouTube. It's a half depth box with 8 mini frames in there that I've made up, and I shook in 2 full depth frames of nurse bees, and from one of those frames I cut all the brood out and stuck it in between all the frames that I've put in here. There's also a little container for feeding the bees sugar syrup at the moment while they establish themselves in here. There's also a caged queen that was released a couple of days ago, and I've reduced the entrance down to 2 bees wide just to help them defend it. As you can see, they've been very busy. There's actually some comb being built on that frame there already. Means they've been really busy. It's awesome. And there's my tray for feeding them in there. It's actually really awesome to see. Let's pull that frame out. You can see that there. Great. Shut that up now. Just trying to do this one-handed. So anyway, I'll show you some more pictures as we go along. Thanks. Bye.